everyone, welcome back to the Good to Know channel. Today, I'm tackling something that might sound a bit out there. Not eating for 3 whole days. Yes, a 72-hour fast. Before you think I've gone totally bananas, let's dive into what this is, why people do it, and what you need to know if you're curious about giving it a try. Spoiler alert, it's not as scary as it sounds, but it's not for everyone either. So, what's fasting all about? At its core, fasting is choosing not to eat for a set period of time. It's been around forever. Think ancient traditions, religious practices, or even just your body's natural fast while you sleep. There are different types of fasting, like intermittent fasting, where you eat for 8 hours and fast for 16 hours. But today, we're talking about a 72-hour fast, also called a water fast, where you only drink water for 3 days straight. No food, no coffee, no sneaky snacks, just water. So, why would anyone do this? Some folks swear by it for weight loss, others for health benefits like better metabolism or even a cellular reset. But what's really going on in your body? Well, let's break it down. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the 72-hour fast, let's compare it to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is like the beginner-friendly version. For example, you fast for shorter periods, like 16 hours, and eat during an 8-hour window. It's great for weight management, boosting energy, and even improving brain function. But a 72-hour fast? Well, that's next level. It's an extended fast that digs deeper, potentially triggering processes like autophagy. Fancy word, I know, but we'll get to that soon. All right, let's talk about why people are buzzing about a 72-hour fast. Well, here are the big benefits, and they're backed by science. Number 1, weight loss. When you're not eating, your body burns stored fat for energy. You might drop a few pounds fast, but heads up, some of that is water weight, so don't expect miracles long-term without lifestyle changes. Number 2, improve insulin sensitivity. Fasting can make your cells better at using insulin, which helps control blood sugar. This is huge for anyone worried about type 2 diabetes. Number 3, autophagy, which is cellular repair. This is where things get cool. After about 24 to 48 hours, your body starts autophagy, where it cleans out old damaged cells and builds new ones. It's like a spring cleaning for your body. Number 4, immune system boost. Some studies suggest fasting can reset your immune system by regenerating immune cells, potentially making you more resilient. Number 5, cognitive benefits. Do you ever feel foggy? Well, fasting might help. It can increase your BDNF, which is your brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Simply put, it's like fertilizer for your brain, boosting focus and clarity. Now, before you jump in, let's talk about the risks. Fasting for 72 hours isn't a walk in the park, and it's not for everyone. So here's what I encourage you to watch out for. Number 1 is dehydration. Because you're only drinking water, stay properly hydrated. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Number 2, you can get electrolyte imbalances. Without food, your body misses out on the essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This can potentially lead to muscle cramps, dizziness, or more serious issues like heart palpitations. Number 3, nutrient deficiencies. Going 3 days without food means you're not getting the essential vitamins and minerals your body potentially may need. That's why I personally keep taking my supplements during a fast to make sure that I'm still supporting my body with the nutrients it needs, even without meals. And lastly, fasting is not for everyone. If you're underweight, malnourished, have heart conditions, or taking medications like insulin or blood pressure pills, definitely talk to a healthcare professional before attempting a fast. Seriously, I encourage you, don't skip this step. So are you ready to give it a try? Here's how to do a 72-hour fast safely. Number 1, I encourage you to prepare. Eat a nutrient-packed meal before starting. Think veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Number 2, stay hydrated. Drink water, herbal teas, or black coffee for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Supplement wisely. Consider electrolyte supplements to keep your minerals balanced. Number 4, listen to your body. If you do feel dizzy or you're super weak, eat something very light, something simple as bone broth, just to give yourself some nutrients other than water. Lastly, when you do finish your 72-hour fast, break the fast gently. Start with bone broth, soup, or just a very light smoothie. No pizza parties right away. Again, just something very light so your body can absorb that. So is a 72-hour fast worth it? Well, it depends on you, your health, your goals, and how your body feels. For some, it's a powerful way to reset your metabolism or kickstart to a weight loss program. For others, it might be too much. Fasting is just one tool in your health toolbox. It's not a magic fix. Always check with a healthcare professional, especially if you do have health concerns. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Drop a comment below. For example, if you ever tried fasting, what was it like? I'd love to chat with you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.